Tukisalia hapa hapa Nairobi ni kwamba mfalme wa Uholanzi Willem Alexander na Malkia Maxima wamewasili humu nchini kwa ziara ya siku 4. Mfalme huyo na ujumbe wake wamekaribishwa na Rais Ruto katika ikulu ya Nairobi. Ujumbe huo unatarajiwa kujadili mikakati na fursa za uwekezaji na wenyeji wake hapa nchini Kenya.
As part of our commitment to deepening this cooperation, we have today signed 3 critical memoranda of understanding and a letter of intent that will translate our discussions into tangible action. We have signed an MOU that establishes a framework for dialogue on trade and investment between Kenya and the Netherlands, creating a joint trade committee to facilitate and foster bilateral trade and investment. This will ensure a more structured, dynamic engagement between our business communities, unlocking new opportunities in key sectors and leveraging on the partnership and the friendship that already exists between the business communities of our 2 countries. We have also signed an MOU renewing our framework for cooperation in agriculture, reinforcing the partnership between Kenya and the Netherlands in agricultural productivity and sustainability. This agreement focuses on priority areas that will enhance food security, technological exchange, and market access. We're building on the already existing framework that was signed last year between Kenya and the EU, and that was ratified both by the EU and the Kenya Parliament. And I have explained to their majesties that it is our intention as Kenya to bring on board the rest of the East African communities as we'll build a bigger market and bring on board more people.
Serikali ya Kenya iko tayari kushirikiana na Uholanzi kuwekeza katika sekta ya kilimo kwa minajili ya kuhakikisha utoshelevu wa chakula. Katibu wa viwanda Juma Mukhwana aliyasema hayo alipokutana na wawekezaji wa kampuni zaidi ya 50 kutoka Uholanzi waliomtembelea hapa Nairobi.
The focus of this trade mission is sustainable agriculture and water. The Dutch companies, financial and knowledge institutions and NGOs that we've brought have a lot of expertise in these issues. And they are looking to work with Kenyan companies and partners to turn this know-how into results. So I hope all of us can seize this moment and turn possibilities into mutual benefits.
We are currently, as a government of Kenya, investing in something called county aggregation and industrial parks. In each, we have 47 counties. We are building up a small center where we can aggregate a lot of the commodities that come from the counties, do primary value addition, whether it's cleaning, drying, and all that kind of stuff, either for local use or also for export.